Ugo.
Oh, would you look at that?
Yeah, well,
Would you look at that?
yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the...
Vamos, ¿qué hiciste? 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 Vamos.
What's the most random thing that triggers your dog?
What did you do then? Two.
She don't care nothing about Will. Stop.
Starving like Marvin.
That's it. It's the weirdest thing. My bed has this big, like, lump in it right here. Like, oh, hey.
Oh.
Hi, baby.
No, you stay. Okay.
He is watching a show about bald eagles right now.
Now look up the teeth.
Bang. Bang. No, because watch this shit. Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Eric likes to celebrate every road that we cross by throwing himself on the floor. Let's show. Oh, the bike spooked him. Oh, come on. He didn't do it. Oh, there we go. Gio! Gio! Done! Come on! now. You wasn't shaking when you was eating that cheese. You don't do this shit, Keisha. You eat this? Do you eat this? Hold it. Hold it how you was holding it when you carried up the damn steps.
I won't get in the trash can. And I won't pee on the floor. Say amen.
See, told you can get it.
Knocked out, dude. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Oh, I've been waiting for this. Oh boy, I've been waiting for this. What's up?
She looks like a pissed off librarian.
Brother.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
What the? What the fuck?
Why are you gonna be so needy all the time? What you want?
Calm down, boy. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. No, you calm down. Hey.
Je crois que tes amis ont trouvé une solution. On est en train de creuser la sortie.
Hi. Can I touch you?
Oh my God! Daisy, no! No!
Ricky. Would you like to tell your fans anything?
Oh, Mama. Hi. Are you letting them know? Oh.
The Zoom Master 3000. Come on!
Rudy, are you... Valentine's Day. Oh.
She just wants a little kiss.
Come on, no.
She just wants a kiss.
It's weird.
You
stink. The stinkiest dog in the world. Don't be... Who you looking at like that? Who you looking at like that, boy?
Did you get that?
Good girl, get him. Yeah. Smile. Yeah. You gonna smile this morning? So sweet. Her so sweet. Yeah. Yeah.
And that, my friends and family, is how you eat a Mr. T's ice cream.
Where's it gone? Where's it gone, Butter?
Oh my gosh, guys, look. Duke fell asleep while looking out the window, waiting for his dad to come home.
That is a bad boy. Oh, he can't control it. Look at the tail. Oh!
You've never seen that?
Okay, do it.
Ready, Buttercorn? Backflip. Backflip. Backflip.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Oh my gosh, he's walking on his hands. London, come here. Get him.
Winston, drop the stick, or you cannot come inside. Drop the stick.
He's not gonna drop it.
Grab it. Good luck.
He's gonna break it in his mouth.
Winnie. What an asshole. Winnie!
No, he's gonna know who's the boss.
God damn. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God. What is that?
I cough and a fart at the same time. Oh, God, it's terrible getting old, isn't it? You make me laugh.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. Do you have any idea how fast I am? I'm fast as fuck, boy. I'm fast as fuck, boy. I'm fast.
Paw. Thank you. Paw. Paw. Thank you. Paw. Thank you. Paw. 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 Come on.
Benzinha da vovó? Cadê?
Cadê a benzinha da mamãe?
Você tá brava com a sua mãe? Por que você tá brava?
Dança, papai. Um cachorro feliz, feliz, feliz. Um cachorro feliz, feliz. Um cachorro feliz, feliz, feliz. Dança, papai. Um cachorro feliz.
You little turd. Buzz.
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
You're taking a bath. You're taking a bath. You're taking a bath. Girl, who you talking to? You're taking a bath. And it's final. Do you hear me? You're taking a bath. Let's go. Come on. Girl.
Bro. Bro. No way. They left you out. What y'all got going? I never knew dogs like water this much. Why are you up?
I gotta go to the bathroom real bad with spicy diarrhea.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Where are you? What are you doing? Maple, why do you look like that? Okay, goodbye.
Que vocês... Faustinho, fez isso aqui. Mano, o que vocês estão fazendo? Ai, meu Deus do céu.
That's a big yawn. Yeah? Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. Tell me about it. Yeah. Oh, bless you. Oh, are you fired up? Yeah.